Basically, there are two types of traffic, which is largely talked about in internet marketing, in internet industry. So which are these? The first type of traffic is the traffic you earned. The traffic you earned, in other words, on which the traffic on which you don't have any control. And the second type of traffic is called the traffic you buy. You go on popular social media platforms or popular congregations of people such as Google, Microsoft, Bing, etc., and you pay the money for which you get visitors. So that's called the second type of traffic, which is the traffic you buy. So you don't have control this type of traffic too. Okay, these are two types of traffic. The first type again is the traffic you earn from where? Earn from your your Dream 100 list. You know Dream 100? If not, then go and watch my other video in which I talked about this concept, the Dream 100. And from your blog, from your social media following. Okay, so these all are the types of traffic that you earn. Okay, and the traffic you buy, I already discussed about that. So what your target should be, what your goal should be, that these two types of traffic somehow should be converted in the type of traffic that you own. Okay, what this mean? This mean that these all are type of traffic that you don't have control, but there is another type of traffic too on which you have fully control on, and that is called the traffic that you own. Example, your email list, mobile numbers list, contact list. Yes, this is the type of traffic that you own and you have fully control on. Whenever you want to send an email, whenever you want to sell a product, deliver value, you just write an email or create an email sequence, automated sequence, and deliver that email for free of cost. You don't have to pay money for that. Each time you buy a traffic from either any traffic sources, or you try to earn traffic, you have to pay something, either in the form of time or in the form of money. But once you acquire this traffic and convert them into the traffic you own, you don't have to pay any money or time. You have to create just one-time email sequence, and it will deliver your emails up to 1 year. Yes, you have to create just once, put it into your email autoresponder, and it will send automated emails on the regular basis according to which you set the sequence. So that's what I wanted to discuss about. I hope you gained some insights about the traffic. Thank you so much for watching this video.